Hello everybody, welcome to Willtopia channel. Remember to hit the like and subscribe, and also turn notification for the latest videos and the giveaway. So let's get started for today. Today we are going to review this one of the best spinners out there called Triton 2 by VC EDC, and this is like around like $65. So this is very high end. Someone claimed that after extensive cleaning they can achieve like almost 16 minutes spin time, and this one gives you different like socket and the bearing, so they are kind of like seal. So, and let's see, so this is a very beautiful spinners. So very thick caps, nice holding and smooth. Everything is polished, so there's no sharp edge, and there's a little groove here for your fingers. It's very comfortable, so when you flick it, you don't feel that sharp. Very easy for you to flick it, and very quiet. Alright, so let's see if this stand up against our champions. So this is more like outsiders from Amazon, because they don't sell it in Amazon. They do sell it on the website. They do have a mini one, and the other one is one of the viewers suggest called Vulcan spinners, and they look kind of like a gear type spinners, but they are not the gear. So it's kind of two-tone. It's a brass, but it's pretty sharp. They don't smooth or like smooth the edge out. A little bit, but not a lot. So this two-tone stainless steel. It's a very nice color. It's a kind of gear like spinners, so they mounted press fit the gear on the top of the brass tri spinner, kind of wheel, flywheel spinner, gear spinner, plus the tri spinners. I'll take a look to inside. So this is R180 bearing, one piece construction, and there's some the ring to hold it so you can replace it. And the other one is, this is my fourth Angry-Wolf I got, so hopefully this one can spin longer. So this is the brand new one. So these are like, all these are very they are the high-end top quality spinners out there that you can buy, and this is not the molded metal piece that we reviewed before. This is like good stainless steel, and the CNC from a piece of stainless steel and make it spinners. All right, so let's see. All right, so we'll. Oops. All right, so that's so excited. All right, so Sunkong, two spinner, Valkyrie, change out. Okay, so we can take a close look on the back. So I'm not sure why they give you two rings, but look like kind of some sort of plastic ring, or like kind of black. We'll take a and the spare bearing R188. Maybe this is hybrid. You can repair maybe a steel ball or hybrid. You need to rely on the vendors. So, and it's a stainless steel warning choking hazard behind it. And this is the version 2. They also have the mini version, but this is kind of the classic version. I think the weight also plays the differences on the spin time. So the mini one, I don't expect them to spin longer than the big brothers. And this is Vulcan spinners. So they don't give you extra bearing. They do have the thank you on the owner of Vulcan Adams for purchase it, and check out the ebook. So they will email your ebook how to probably take tips and tricks. And they also come with a little pouch. So and the Angry-Wolf. So I mean, so this is the second generation, or they call it 1.5 gen. It's a black box versus the traditional one, the silver tin box. And we are going to review the next gear spinner afterwards. So stay tuned, and also check out the another cool spinner that we have. So just remember to turn on the notification so you can get notified for the latest spinners. We have so many spinners in the that we collect, and we can wait to review them. But let's see that the Triton V2 how they stack up against our base spinners. And this is probably one of the most expensive out there right now. So I will put the links in the description sections. If you're interested, just stay tuned. So look like the Triton already slowing down. I was expecting them to spin probably for at least 5 minutes, but this is just straight out from the box. So we stop at 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Maybe the cap was not secure. Let's take a look. So look at this, still a piece of metal left from the machine. So you can see that the fit and finish is very good. Little kind of the sticky, not the full solid stainless, but this trim it out. It's moving. So this is a piece. You can see it's a piece of metals. One piece secured in it. Here we go. See that there's a lot of left over on the machinery. So they did not do their quality control. You can see that there's a piece of let's grab metals around the cap. So let's dump it out. So I'm not sure if it damaged the bearing, but definitely slow it down. But look at the other two spinners stopped around like 6 minutes. So we'll probably do a take 2 of the Triton. Alright, so obviously the original bearings always come damaged. So I replaced it with the one that put it in the sealed plastic bag, and you can see that it's been much better now. And it's crazy that after 8 minutes that it doesn't seem that it's slowing down. So some of the viewers on the website, they say that they can achieve 60 minutes, but I mean right now that look like it definitely going to beat out Sunkong and probably going to reach 10 minutes. But Sunkong is hanging there. But these probably will be one of the best spinners just in case. But it's just to make sure when you get it, check inside, because so this bearing probably is already damaged or scratched. So the Sunkong probably gonna reach 9 minutes this time, and but it's very close. Now the Sunkong is on sale for $12, but some viewers was complaining that their spin time is not that great, so we will get the new one to test it out. But you can see that Sunkong can pass 9 minutes. But let's see if the Triton can reach 10 minutes. Look like it's possible. But just, you know, the quality control is not that great for this spinner company. They probably did not check it before they ship it out. So 10 more seconds, so we'll reach 10 minutes, and I think you can do it. So that's it. We have reached 10 minutes. We have the new champion, and that's the VC EDC Triton. But you pay for the quality. But I mean, if you want the good spinners with a good spin time and the good quality, I think this is the good to go. Subscribe button here, and also check out the other video here. So this is, see you.